Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and some bad news for Microsoft that worked hard to try to change our habits with email by, of course, creating the new Outlook. And there's a interesting blog post that came up, and that blog post actually is very interesting because it states that users are, in general, unhappy with the new Outlook app. They are also unhappy with all of the things that is missing, that is not there yet. That also the working offline with the new Outlook is virtually impossible. And apparently, a internal memo at Microsoft itself says that even Microsoft employees hate it. They say they just hate it and they don't want to use it. So I think maybe Microsoft should rethink the new Outlook because it really seems like people are not happy. I personally don't use it. It is configured to receive my emails, but I do not use it. I actually use web. I go on my Gmail on the web and stuff like that. I don't use an aggregator personally, and for those that do, well, they kind of hate the new Outlook. So I guess this is one of the blunders of Microsoft trying to reimagine a new way of having us check emails and interact with emails, but in a way that people just don't like. I miss, honestly. For me, there was the good times were Outlook Express. I remember Outlook Express being pretty good, and even Windows Live Mail. That Windows Live Mail was not bad at all. It was simply kind of in a connected email, so it was always kind of up to date with everything because it was connected. But the Mail app, I didn't dislike the Mail app when it was finished and everything was working, like was in Windows 10. The Windows 10 Mail app wasn't bad at all. Mailing calendar app, and but now I don't know. This a lot of people have a hard time. So, what do you think of the new Outlook app? Do you use it? Do you like it? What are your thoughts on it? Give me your feedback in the comments below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.